Well, did you make a resolution to save more cash this year? Well, as we kick off the new year, now is really a good time to start thinking about new ways to invest your money. And of course, you cannot afford to miss Money Matters Mondays with Michael Rowlands. He's a wealth coach and CEO of Scottsdale Gold and Silver. So, all right, it's 2016. What is your big prediction for gold and silver this year?
I think gold and silver are going to have an absolute banner year. We've seen the gold and silver bullion markets get beat up over the last couple of years, but looking at the overall weakness, and as you saw the market last week, I think if people are sitting in stocks right now, they're getting kind of worried. I mean, the fact is you've lost almost 20% in the last 8 weeks, and it's looking like you're going to lose a heck of a lot more. I mean, you got 10,000 baby boomers retiring every single day for the next 20 years. That means those people aren't paying into Social Security, and they're going to be withdrawing from the markets. So this market crash could be huge.
Okay, so I know that for a lot of people, it's hard to invest in something that you really, I mean, you can't see stocks and bonds either, but gold, it's a little bit scary. It's a little bit intimidating. So it's at a low right now. Is now a good time to continue to buy both gold and silver? Or should we be just hanging on and just letting it grow if we already have it?
Right now is the time that you should be dollar cost averaging. If you've bought in the last 4 years, you're down dollar cost average. What that means is, let's say you put an investment in for $10 and it went down to 5. Well, if you bought 2 shares at 5 and it goes to 10, now you've made your money back, plus you made money. So now it's a good time to dollar cost average. If you're not involved in the market, gold and silver, definitely you want to add, especially with what's going on with the stock market. It's extremely volatile, and I'm telling you, there's going to be a lot of people that lose a lot of money again in that stock market. If you stay in that stock market, be prepared.
Okay, that's actually a good tip. But between the two, gold or silver, which one do you think is going to perform better this year?
I think silver, hands down, is going to outperform gold this year.
Yeah, and you said that even last year.
Yes.
You said, you know, go buy, you know, when it comes to silver right now. How do people know, and I know that's what you do, when people come to you, how do we know what to buy in gold and silver? Coins, bullion, what are we looking at?
It's going to boil down to what you want to do. So like with bullion, that's more of a short-term play because you got smaller premiums and you're looking for a 12, 18-month hold. That's a good spot to be in. Okay. Where the investment grade coins, where I really like, is because you don't have to worry about the manipulation of the markets. It's like with silver, and look at this. In 2011, there was 1 billion ounces mined. There was 210 million ounces sold, 33 million ounce deficit, price $38.50. 2015, 1 billion ounces mined, 360 million ounces sold,
wow.
A net deficit of 160 million ounces, average price $16. So how can more people be buying and the supply be less and the price go down?
Exactly.
It really shows you the manipulation in that market,
right.
Whereas with investment grade coins, there's only so many of them that are out there, and the banker can't manipulate them. And the way the price moves up, if people are buying, the coin goes up. If people are selling, the coin goes down. And people are buying right now because they want out of that market.
Yeah, yeah, and that's one of the things that you, you know, are an expert in, is working with someone, especially if it's their first time. It can be a little intimidating. They come in and you sit down and you consult with them and kind of help ease them into that market and keep an eye on it too.
Absolutely. It's like this morning I had a lady, nice lady, call me. Her name was Ruth, and she didn't really know what to do. Husband had passed away. She had some money. She wanted to make sure she did the right thing. And it was really funny. She's like, am I investing enough, or is that not worth your time? We work with investors from $50 to millions of dollars.
Okay.
But the thing that I did is I took my time and I said, okay, look, first thing we're going to do is a plan. We're going to see what gold and silver is meant for you. And we go like that. We handle every single client just like that.
Excellent. All right. Well, there you go. You heard it right here on Sonoran Living. Scottsdale Gold and Silver, you know what? They're offering their new 2016 forecast report, what to invest in and what not to invest in. Just call the office to schedule a free one-on-one consultation and learn how to protect your money. That right there is a $500 value. Here's where they're located at 7033 East Greenway Parkway. That's Suite 280. That's in Scottsdale. Call 480-739-1299 or visit them online at sgscoins.com.